Hey there, Prepper Marine 81 here. This video is going to be going over a recent purchase I just made. This is the Optimus Terra Solo backpackers mess kit. It comes just like this with a mesh bag. They have a couple different colors. This one's green. I know they have orange. I'll get into a few reasons why I chose this, but first I'll just kind of show you the product and see what you think. Has a drawstring top. As you can see, this is a pretty small product. It's not real big. That's one of the reasons why I chose it, because it's not large. You know, I wanted to save some room in my pack. This is also anodized aluminum, so it's very lightweight, but pretty corrosion resistant with this anodized coating. Comes with, as you can see, the bottom cook pot. The bottom cook pot is 0.6 liters, so a little over 2 cups, which is basically the right amount of water that you need for a mountain house meal. And that's another reason why I chose it, because I wouldn't have to do any kind of measuring or anything. I just knew that almost filling this would be the water that I would need for a mountain house meal. But I'll show you what I keep in here. This top part is the frying pan. I'll show that. It's not a bad size, really. The handle locks up into place here, so it's not going to come down on you, unfold. And it has these little silicone rubber grips. Some heat does transfer through this, but not too much. I mean, it's not going to burn you to grab this. And there's the top part. And then inside this little guy, I wrap up all this stuff inside this washcloth just to prevent, scratching and rattling around and all that. Go ahead and pull that out. I'll set that aside for right now. And here is the main pot. And as you can see, I don't know how well you can see this. Right in here, they have all the measurements on the inside that's viewable from the inside, not the outside. So that's kind of nice. You can see exactly what the water levels are if you do happen to need to measure. They're made into the side of this. And these handles, standard, just kind of fold out like such. Same silicone grip on it. This thing works pretty well. The aluminum seems to transfer the heat real well, so it doesn't take long at all to boil the water, especially with the type of stove that I'm running. So there are those. And then we'll get into what I keep inside here. Here's my MSR pocket rocket. So I keep that stove inside the pot there. Got a little hobo tool with the spoon, fork, can opener, knife, all that. This thing's a little cheapy, but it gets the job done. What I like about it is the fact that you can split these two into separate utensils to use. And then I just keep like a military style can opener inside there as well. But all of this fits neatly inside the pot here. The only thing that's a disadvantage is the fact that you can't put the fuel canisters inside here. But it's not that big of a deal, because you can fit your stove, your utensils inside here. I could put a lighter in there if I wanted to. Some waterproof matches, what have you. So you can still use the space. You'll be able to find something to store inside this. I just have the other fuel canister inside my pack, stored inside my pack. But there you have it. I do like this a lot. I picked it up from Amazon for, I think it was $35, so relatively cheap. A lot cheaper than, say, titanium. And I haven't had any kind of issues out of it, so I would recommend it to anybody who's looking for one. But if you have any kind of questions about it or comments, feel free to leave them. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Prepper Marine 81 out.